Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I am bringing you the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros review, and these headphones are honestly some of the best I've seen in a long time. For 2021, they are the best that I've tested to date. Out of all the new ones that have come in, there's some really great things about them that just really stand out. If you are watching the day this video launches, you can get a special discount on them right now. So go ahead and check out the link in the description as we get to it. So overall, audio quality really sounds great. Probably the best sounding ones of overall in headphones. The clear and these ones are going to be the best ones, but these just are perfect fitted. I love when you unbox this, you just see the quality and the care that goes into Soundcore products. Like the way they lay out all the ear tips, the way they lay out all the wings, it's just so good. And those ear tips aren't gonna fit everyone, but the wings make it so that it will never fall out of your ear. And that's such a big thing because fitting perfectly in your ear is such a hard thing to do for headphones. I have had so many that I like the quality, but they don't really fit in my ear or they don't last long, as we go over some tests later. So overall, that is gonna be one of the best things about it. The sound quality though is really great. It has high-res audio, so you're gonna have LDAC and AAC quality on there. The LDAC is phenomenal. It just really sounds good. I listened to some high-end audio on there and it really just sounds so much better than any earbuds I've had. Now, they also have a great app which has Hear ID, which is something that I always recommend. If you have headphones, use the app so you can get it exactly how they have it here, which is catered to your ears. It's really personalized to each ear. So if you are different hearing from specific frequencies, it will basically figure that out and play it to your best volume, setting, and frequency. It's just so awesome the way it does it. It's just really clean and clear. And I definitely love that. It's an extra touch that really makes a difference. If you go back to normal and then go back to your custom setting, you'll hear the difference immediately. But right away, I have to say what these headphones have achieved that no other headphones out of the hundreds of earbuds I have tested out over the past few years, these are the first that can do both of these things. And that is multi-point connection. Basically being able to connect to two devices, whichever ones you want. So you can connect to your smartphone and your laptop, your tablet and a Nintendo Switch. Like you can connect to whatever two devices you want. It doesn't matter what brand they are. That is so great. Like I love that. And it's something that I've only seen on Jabra before. And this is the second device to really use it. It's new to Soundcore and it's just such a phenomenal ability to, no matter what other devices you want to connect it to, doesn't matter the brand, that is such a huge thing. So I really love that, and I love that I can connect it to my phone and my computer at the same time, so I never miss anything that goes on. But the other ability it has that Jabra and others don't is basically being able to connect either earbud to your device. So you can connect just the left earbud or just the right one. Either one, it doesn't matter, and that is a unique feature that I've never seen both devices have, being able to connect to two devices and to have the ability to actually use either earbud. That is a really cool feature, and again, I've yet to ever see that. It's what really made these stand out, as like, oh no, these are above all of these other headphones. Now, in terms of the battery life, you have 8 hours on each earbud, so really great, especially again, if you use one at a time, you really can make it last multiple days easily. Overall, with the case, you have 32 hours of playback time. So again, it's just a long battery life and really good overall. You can take it for a weekend and you're not going to need to charge it easily. I will also say that it's a quick charge. With 15 minutes charge will give you 3 hours of playback. So I do appreciate that. And it has not only Type-C charging, but wireless charging. That is always huge just because, again, so many conveniences in one pair of earbuds. I haven't seen all of these. I've never seen all of these, and that's what really makes these stand out more than any other ones to date. Best fitting. Now, this really took on a whole nother meaning as I created a new test for it. Now, we'll get to the Starbucks test in a second, but with this one, I really found out that earbuds don't fit in your ears when you eat, or at least not good fitted ones. So I would be eating, watching stuff on my tablet, and my Samsung earbuds would fall out, or my clear earbuds would fall out. And that was something that I was just like, man, this is actually a more of an interesting topic that no one usually talks about. Because you move your jaw so much, earbuds have to be very well fitted. This is only one of 2 pairs of earbuds that have passed that test. So it's really good to actually be able to have them in your ear and know they will not fall out. And that is because of the back groove that it has that a lot of those other earbuds don't. I really recommend a lot more earbuds pay attention to those kind of things, because that is something unique that I never noticed before, but I have noticed with these. So kudos to them for being such great fitted and just great customizable to fit almost any ear. Then the Starbucks challenge. The Starbucks challenge is something that no True Wireless headphones have ever passed, but these, I will say, are now at the top rank for the best ones in the Starbucks test. Now, they canceled out all of the noise in the background. 6 microphones were on here, and my callers said that I can't hear anything that's going on around there, and there were loud noise, banging, loud machines at Starbucks. That's why I always test them out there, and they couldn't hear any of that. So I was like really impressed. The only thing where I will not say it completely passed the Starbucks test is it did say it sounded muffled. So I basically didn't sound as loud. Now, the interesting part about that is I'm really curious with the Liberty 3 Pros Air that might come out next year or so that could actually solve that issue, because the stem does allow for better microphone usually, and it doesn't have that muffle thing. So I'm very curious for the future of this brand in that aspect, possibly being the first ones to ever pass the Starbucks test. But to this day, no one has passed it yet in True Wireless headphones, but these have actually come the closest above all others. Now, what's the price point? It's actually really reasonable at $169. Again, today is the last day. You can actually get it for cheaper than that. And of course, I'm sure they'll have some great online deals this holiday season. But these are some great headphones. Honestly, if I were to have a go-to pair of headphones that I would recommend, these are them. These are the go-to pair of headphones that I would truly recommend above all other True Wireless headphones. The Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros are going to be the top ones I would recommend for anyone that just wants a great pair of headphones. Because when you think of sound quality, noise cancellation, the ability to connect to any 2 devices I want, the ability to have a perfect fitted ear, the ability to really make it so you can use either earbud at a time and really draw out your battery life, all of these things, wireless charging, Type-C connection, everything you need, this kind of has it all. So yeah, these are my now go-to recommendation for anyone looking for True Wireless headphones. This is it. Will there be others that come out this year? I'm sure we'll find out together. But until then, let me know what you guys think about these. Thank you always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.